I've shucked Easy Store, I've shucked Elements, but I have never shucked a MyBook. Yes, this is still a Western Digital drives, but they like to just have all kinds of flavors. These specifically are green, which I kind of like. You know, the other ones are blue, but this box is green. So in today's video, let's see what kind of hard drives comes in the MyBooks. What's up YouTube, Jason here with Byte My Bits, and in today's video I am shucking a Western Digital MyBook. Now, I've actually never shucked one of these drives, and I probably would not have shucked one of these drives because normally it's the Elements and the Easy Stores that go on sale on the internet and also at Best Buy. If you do not know what Western Digital hard drive shucking is, I have no idea where you've been for the last couple of years, but it is where you buy a cheap USB external hard drive and then you stab it with a knife and rip its guts out. And then you obtain much cheaper hard drive storage for your server or your computer without having to purchase the OEM RAID drives that you would normally do just to get storage. And this thing was actually not on sale, and it's never been on sale, the MyBooks. I've actually never seen these discounted. I don't know if it's because they have a 3-year warranty and the Elements and the Easy Stores only have 2-year warranties, but one of the biggest things with shucking is everyone commenting saying, yeah, you get cheaper storage, but as soon as you shuck it and you remove the hard drive out of the USB enclosure, you lose your warranty. Well, just in case you haven't seen my last video, I actually had a hard drive problem. I sent them in bare drive. It did come out of a shucked enclosure, and they sent me this. So in this follow-up video, I'm going to stab this with a knife and see what hard drive is inside. Because I like stabbing hard drives. It's fun. It's like therapy. Okay, very similar experience to the Easy Store and the Elements. It's probably the exact same packaging. Same power supply, same USB 3.0 cable. This is just, I mean, deja vu, you know what I mean? I don't actually know if these shuck the same way, however, as the Easy Store and the Elements do. Yeah, about the same size. Obviously, this is square and this is rounded, but these are very similar. And since I've actually never shucked these before, I don't know how they shuck. So I probably should have looked that up. I think I see an edge. I really should look this up, but I think I see an edge right here. Nope, don't want to hit it. Ah, there we go. Yeah, mother. There we go. That is not as easy as the other ones. This is definitely going to be a video on how not to shuck a MyBook. Okay, a little thing right there. Little thing right there. Thing right there. Maybe. This is the worst shucking video ever. Do not shuck this drive the way I just shucked it. Oh, there we go. There we go. Oh, don't fall. Please don't fall. Please don't fall. Got it. And that is making me super nervous. Oh, wow. Okay, so how did that thing go in there? That was kind of intense. There we go. I just noticed something. This is a WD-100E ZAZ. I've never seen a ZAZ. I've seen like MAZ or MFZ, but this is a ZAZ. I don't know what that means. Is it different on some level? Is it worse? Is it better? Does it have 256 megs of cache? ZAZ. Okay, so from what I can tell, the ZAZ are not helium filled, where the other ones are helium filled. And the brief response that I got on Reddit on Reddit was that the non-helium or the air-filled ones like this can actually get a little bit warmer when under load. So I'm gonna have to try that out. I'm gonna have to do a rebuild and probably post that to Twitter. So if you guys don't follow me, it's @_Byte My Bits. I will post probably within a day or so of when I did this, or maybe even leave it in the comments down below whether or not it got considerably hot compared to my other drives, because this is definitely the first drive of its kind for me, being the ZAZ. It's still a WD white label red drive in the sense of it has the same specs, the 256 megs of cache, etc. But it's, I don't know, this one might run a little bit hotter than the other white label drives that I have. So either way, this is what they sent me in replacement for my warranty exchange. And I just sent them a bare drive after destroying the casing. It was a different casing. And I did not do nearly as much damage as the first one. In my professional opinion, the Western Digital MyBooks are slightly more difficult to shuck than the Easy Store or the Elements. And okay, they're a lot harder to shuck. Same results though. Well anyways guys, that is it for today's video. I'm going to throw this into my Unraid server, start the rebuild, and see if this thing runs hotter than all of the other drives. So follow me on Twitter or check out the comment section down below for the results to whether or not it runs hotter than the other drives. Thank you for watching, like and subscribe, and have yourself a great day.